So hi guys, another fabulous day in the countryside, living the country lifestyle vibes. So this is the outfit for today. Let me step back to see if you can get a full angle. So we're going with the navy blue. Can't go wrong with navy blue. And we're just going to put this jacket over, like so. I have a lovely scarf to put around it later, but for now, the last thing I've got to do at the moment is my nails. So we've got the nail one. Alexa just said she doesn't know how to help me with that. Like if I was asking her to do it. She may suggest a pedicure service nearby. Who knows? So it's a lovely day today. Let me see if I can turn this around. Yeah. So that's the image and that's through the curtain, so you can imagine. But yeah, I'll finish getting myself ready and we'll pop out, see what the day holds. So stay tuned, UK Travel and Lifestyle. So guys, sit back, relax, enjoy this short journey. We are on our way to Coombe Abbey. En route, we shall be passing some beautiful rural country area. You may see some livestock, keep a lookout for the sheep, and of course we're going to get a brief history and yeah, be on the lookout for some of the industrial landmarks. Huge shout out to Edward Cars. Guys, if you're ever in the West Midlands, in particular Coventry, I recommend you book them. I'm going to leave the link to Edward Cars in the description down below. And yeah, shout out to my driver, personalized driver at that. He accommodated me throughout the whole duration of my stay in the West Midlands. And yeah, thank you also to the hardworking staff at the waterfront for accommodating me.
This is the Rolls-Royce factory.
Oh,
Yeah.
let me see if I can capture it. Yeah. Oh wow.
Been here for many years.
Wow.
About the luxury car engine company.
Yes.
The country is also a very industrial. It has a lot of industrial history.
Yeah, I didn't realize because most of the industrial industry I affiliated with Milton Keynes.
It has a lot of history in terms of engineering, feats of engineering, of course, with the other side of the history where the Second World War, the Germans had won
Yes.
areas like Coventry as well.
Yes.
Yeah, a lot of history in Coventry.
Wow.
I think it's 4 spires in Coventry Cathedral.
Yes, the cathedral. Yes, the cathedral. Yeah. That great fire, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, I remember. It's all sorted now. New facelift. Yeah. 21. Yeah. there's a, you go round and it just takes you to the reception door because the they're all right for drop-offs. So guys, we've arrived at the Coombe Abbey and checked in our luggage. We're going to make our way to the visitor centre until my room is ready for check-in. Thank you so much. We are currently inside the visitor centre. I stopped off at the information desk. I've picked up the leaflet of what's on the artillery as well as Bailey's hot chocolate. Lots of events taking place at the National Museum and Art Gallery, and I've treated myself to a late brunch, breakfast back. Just taking a look at what's on for Friday and Saturday, just realising I've missed the medieval banquet. So guys, we have arrived at the top pool and it's opposite the kiosk in the park. You've got Wildflower Meadow, you've got Heron Standing Ground, you've got the Herony, you've got the Coombe Pool Fishery, you've got the conservation area, you've got the old deer park for grazing and livestock, you've got the play area, the Wildflower Meadow, the gardens and arboretum, and you've got Hermit's Hollow, the duck decoy, and of course the climbing forest.